I just discovered a brand new way to get your 4,000 watch hours faster than ever. And yes, Google is involved. Guys, just 2 days ago, I test run this particular thing on my lifestyle channel and I live streamed for just only 1 hour and I was able to get over 23 public watch hour. So this simply means that if you are able to double down, that is for stream for like more 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, you are going to get higher. That is, the higher the live stream, the higher results you get. And also one good part of this whole thing is that you can literally do it whether faceless channel or no faceless channel. You can do this live stream. In fact, it doesn't even require your face, so there is no much stress. And it's not restream that you'll be scared of your channel being copyrighted or any single thing like that. And another sweet part of this whole thing is it's not your regular live streaming. No. So that is why you have to try your best to pay attention. And also I use this same method to monetize this my channel you all are watching me from, but this is the advanced way. So just try your best to make sure you pay attention so that you don't miss any of the information. Okay, and with that much being said, let's get started. So before now, a lot of creators have been talking about this same method and most of them are not even really explaining it. So on Saturday I decided to test run it. That is 2 days ago. I decided to test run it on my lifestyle channel and the result I saw was really beautiful. Yes, before now, this was the method I used to monetize this very channel you all are watching me from, but I didn't really do it this way. So right now I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process of how I was able to do this particular one. Then what you just simply need to go ahead and do is to recreate it on your channel. So real quick, from the screen here, this is the live stream. You all can see that it was uploaded May 17, that's yesterday. And from the screen here you can also see it was just 1 hour 26 minutes. Now let's quickly go over to the analytics. Now this brings me, for those of you that will be like, oh Princess Shamaka, I don't know how to check my public watch hour, or maybe if I finish live streaming, my watch hour used to disappear. YouTube is deducting my watch hour. So real one quick, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get your main watch hour. Okay, so once you come up like this and this is what you're seeing, this 7.1 is not the watch hour for this video. It simply means that the when this video was uploaded, this was the watch hour I was able to get from it. Now let's go ahead and click on this analysis. Now when you click on the analysis, it's going to bring you to this place. Now just rush over, click on that watch hour. It's going to bring you here, but just scroll, click on the watch hour itself. Now it will bring you here. You can see it since published. This live stream has generated 7.1. Just go straight to your lifetime, this lifetime, then click on it. You'll be able to see the watch hour. So have you seen that this particular live stream has generated me 23.6 watch hour? And the good part of this whole thing is that you all know that sometimes you might even get a video that is of like 500 600 views on your channel and you'll be able to get this. So I don't really want to go all that now. Step by step process of how I was able to achieve this particular thing. Real one quick. First of all, this is a silent live streaming. Now don't be too quick to like judge, because there were some background job that I did for me to be able to achieve this same result. If you rush and go and do it, you might not achieve it. That is why I will always advise you, try to pay attention before you go ahead and start applying any information you get here from YouTube. If not, you will get it wrong. So first of all, this is a silent live streaming, and the very first step or the very first thing that we need to do is for you to be able to get a thumbnail. Thumbnail speaks a lot. Like, thumbnail speaks a lot. That's why if you notice lately on YouTube, most of the live stream that you'll be seeing thumbnail. So like now from the screen here, you all can see the beautiful thumbnail that I used for this particular live stream. You can see it. I customized a bit, I designed the thumbnail by myself, and I put silent live streaming on top. Now for you to be able to do this, what you simply need to do is to head over to Google. Go over to Google and look for a good image. You can say either that is, it depends on the particular thing you want to show while on live. So this particular thing now that I'll be showing you, it's a silent live stream, but you have to be showing things. I'm going to be teaching you two ways actually. So the first way I did is what I'm going to be showing you right now. So head over to Google and get a background. Just get a background. If you just go to Google, type maybe atmosphere, abi nature background, just, or even water, even ocean, just search for any picture at all, and you see a beautiful background to use. Now head over to your CapCut. Once you get to your CapCut, customize it and design it in a way that it will be visible on YouTube. Yeah, that is just like the way you create your thumbnails for your long form video. Design the thumbnail and put silent live streaming at the top, so that it can indicate to your viewer that this is a live stream, or that this is a silent live stream. Because one thing you need to understand is that there are some people that they really enjoy watching this kind of live stream. They really enjoy it, and this particular thing, some of my students have tried it and they got a lot of watch hours from it. So now once you are done getting your thumbnail done, the next thing as usual is for you to go live. You all know the procedure now. Click on that live button and go live. Now once you are about to go live, you're going to either choose one or two things that you're going to do. If you watch that my live stream, you will see that I was just showing the back of my house. That is the place where I stay currently. The back is more like this nature, plantation, trees, and the rest of them. So what I simply did was to turn my camera to the back. And another thing is, I didn't really make it silent, but at some point it was silent. Yeah, but you can do your own to be silent live stream. You can decide to do your own not to be silent, because if you watch that my live stream, you see that at some point it was silent, at some point it was not. But this is strictly silent live streaming, okay? So I just backed the camera facing it to the bush, and the sound, the breeze, and I kept on seeing good comments. People were coming in, watching the live stream, commenting, oh, nice weather, nice environment, I love this, I love what I'm seeing. You can decide to, maybe you go to shop, or maybe you just go to anywhere, just on go live, try to face the camera, let it be showing round, let it be showing things, or just keep it at one spot. Even if it is showing one particular thing, just one picture. If you don't know, there are people on this YouTube street that will watch that thing for more than 30 minutes. Yeah, that is it, because I had one viewer. That viewer was on my live stream for close to 45 minutes. Was just watching it, just dropping comments, was just vibing, liked what I was showing. Yeah. Now, so if you cannot do that, the second method, before I now explain to you the background work that I did to achieve this result, the second method is you going over to Google. Now, once you get to Google, try your best to get a background again, aside from the thumbnail you designed though. Or maybe if you feel that, oh, I want to use the same background, maybe it is ocean, just try to get the picture. Make sure it is not copyrighted picture, so that you and YouTube will not have issue. Try your best to get a picture that don't need to have all those names printed on it. That is those pictures that don't contain names on it. Now once you get the picture, go on live, then click on that green screen. Now when you click on that green screen, bring the picture up. Once you bring the picture up, it's going to be there, like nobody will be visible. Now the next thing you need to do, most important, is put it on silent. That is, mute the mic. Now when you mute the mic, it will be silent. People will not be hearing you. So the phone can be in your parlor, the phone can be in your kitchen, the phone can be anywhere. Just have a steady network and let the thing be live. It will be playing. Now once you are able to like achieve how to do this live streaming, silent live streaming, the next thing is, if you have 2 to 3 phones in your house, like with different accounts, this is expo. The minute you are live, go and on those phones. That is, try to use those phones to engage with the live stream, watch the live stream, or you can call your husband or your sister, or your cousin. They should just, that you are on live, they should just help you to be watching the live stream. They should be on live with you. And also you can decide to use another of your account. That is, if you have 2 accounts, and be engaging with your audience, just to keep them. Because one goal about this whole live stream of a thing is, the minute people are like watching that is, the minute people are live with you on that live stream, that is how you can be able to be building the watch hours. But if people are not live with you, you might not really get these results. As of that Saturday, I did a live stream with my lifestyle channel, but on this my main channel, I logged in, I joined the live, and I was interacting with people, trying to let them know that okay, it's more like a silent live stream, oh, and I'm showing the weather and all. So I believe that was also what helped this live stream to have that amount of watch hour it had. Now, after doing this particular thing, let's assume you streamed for like 2 hours, for like 3 hours. You can even first of all test the 1 hour and see how it is before you like extend it. But the more the but the more the hour, the more watch hours you're going to get. Okay. Now, once you're done with it, and the live stream must have been posted by YouTube. It will take time. It might not even post that day, maybe the following day it will post. Now, once the live stream has gone live or once it has posted, not with the same phone, try to look for another device. Go and rewatch the live stream. Now, while rewatching it, take it to 0.25, that is minus 0.25x. Now, you can do it for throughout the night. If it is 5 hours, try to make sure that your phone is fully charged with standby network. It's just like you rewatching that live stream. Omo, the way the live stream is going to be adding one. I just only did it once with my second phone, because after this whole live stream I discovered that I only got about 17 watch hour. But can you guys imagine that, just rewatching it with my main channel, that is this channel, with I think one other channel on my husband phone. That was how I was able to migrate to this 23 public watch hour. And also I believe people are like also watching it because the video is just all about nature, showing buildings, showing trees and all. So this is really, really beautiful. So if you're out there, you're looking for a way to get your 4,000 watch hour, instead of taking the risk of doing that restream, because this restream might crash one day. That is why, in fact, it has been demonetizing a lot of channels. So if you know that you don't know how to do that restream the right way, so that your channel, because one bad thing about that restream is you might just get monetized, be earning for like first, second month, and your third month, YouTube will come back for you. So if you're doing that restream, use your own video that you know that nothing can happen. Even if YouTube decide to query you someday, you have evidence that the video is yours and not copyrighted by anyone, by maybe any company. So use your own video. But if you cannot do that, to avoid all those stress, for me, if you go through my channel, if you go through my live streaming of 6 months ago, you will see it. I live streamed a lot. And one good thing is that I was watching a YouTuber that also started with me back then. In fact, that YouTuber was the one that pushed me to start doing silent live streaming and normal live streaming. From that her video, she gained over 2,500 watch hours from streaming, because she can stream for like 7, 8, 10 hours. That is in the morning, when maybe she wants to bathe her child, or maybe go to market. She'll just click the live button and just be showing people around, but she will mute the volume because of all this background music in the market, or maybe in the house. Because if those background music enter, you're going to lose the live stream. You have to get rid of it because YouTube will just place copyright on it. It has happened to me twice. I did that in the market and I know how painful it was. So to avoid it, that is why it's best advisable to use it as silent. Do it in form of silent live streaming. Mute your mic for it to be silent. Okay. So this is the beautiful recent update that I tried on this my channel, and that watch hour that I saw, I swear, I shock, because now let me show you guys something. Imagine from this live stream I was able to get 23 public watch hour. Now let me show you a video on my channel and show you the watch hour. Okay, now look at this particular video here. This video is how many minutes? 12 minutes. Now let's go over to the watch hour aspect of the video. You can see for a video that has gotten 527 views, it has gotten only 17.6 watch hour. You can imagine since how many days that I posted this video? Since May 16, that is 3-4 days ago. Now let me show you another video again here that I've gotten 644 views. Now let's click on it. You can see 17.4 watch hour for a video that is 7 minutes long. Now let me still show you another one. Let's check out this particular one that also did pretty well. Let us see how many watch hours it has gotten. Only this one that even tried 34.1. Why? Is because people actually watched it to like 2 minutes and the video is actually somehow long. So I think this particular way self is even much more easier, much more faster. Just like you'll be wasting your like MB. But it's still the same way with Restream. Just like Restream, you might just have one lock like this. One video will just have a lot of views. But if it is not your own personal video. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, drop me your comments in the comment section. Have you tried this before? And also, are you going to be trying it now? Lastly, do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a whole lot of creators. And always, I'll see you all in my next video.